Transponder key programming for GMC Sierra trucks from 2007 to 2016 involves synchronizing the key's embedded microchip with the vehicle's immobilizer system to prevent theft. The key features a microchip inside its casing that enables this security communication. These systems, known as VATs or Passkey 3, require the key to be specifically programmed to match the vehicle's engine control unit. The process uses the vehicle's OBD2 diagnostic port to establish this connection between the key and the engine control unit. DIY methods employ diagnostic scanners connected to the OBD2 port, using specialized software to program keys without requiring dealership tools. Recent developments offer smartphone-integrated diagnostic tools and cloud-based services for remote key programming. Always ensure the vehicle is yours, and be aware of potential system malfunctions. While personal DIY programming is generally allowed without theft involvement, unauthorized alterations may violate anti-tampering laws. In older models from 2007 to 2010, battery drain issues can weaken key fob signals, making programming more challenging. The DIY key programming process begins with connecting a diagnostic scanner to your GMC Sierra's OBD2 port. Tools like the Autel MaxiSys or Launch X431 are commonly used and require specific software modules for GM Immobilizer access. Once connected, enter programming mode using PIN codes or VIN-specific algorithms. Then cycle the ignition to synchronize the key. This process typically involves erasing old keys and adding new ones to the ECU. The key contains a 4D or 80-bit transponder chip that communicates with the vehicle's immobilizer. Ensure you use the correct GM-specific key blank from manufacturers like Ilco or Stratec. Understanding OBD2 diagnostics is essential for this process. A weak link in the system is the 10-cut key code, visible on the key bow, which can be used to generate a virtual key via software. The Body Control Module, BCM, plays a crucial role in key validation. Be cautious of error codes like P6031 for immobilizer faults. DIY success rates are high at 85 to 95%, but incorrect PIN entry can cause permanent ECU reset, leading to costly repairs.